What's the difference between ISRC and ISWC codes? ISRC, International Standard Recording Code, and ISWC, International Standard Musical Work Code, are the two codes responsible for cataloging business transactions associated with both composition and sound recording copyrights. Here's a breakdown of how they work and how they earn artists' payments. When it comes to music metadata, the ISRC and ISWC are two of the most important pieces of the puzzle. From record labels and artists to music publishers and songwriters, they are the main reason that everyone gets paid. Although each code consists only of a few numbers and letters, it provides the glue that connects rights holders, digital music services, performing rights societies, and anyone else that plays a part in the business of recorded music. Regardless of your role in music, it's important to get to know the ISRC and ISWC, and to have an understanding of how the codes help to connect the pieces. ISRC represents the master sound and video recordings, or the producer's share, while ISWC represents the melody, lyrics, and song structure, or the songwriter's share. ISRCs are always 12 characters long, pointing out the country code, issuer code, year reference, and 5-digit recording code. ISWC always has 11 characters, always starting with letter T, followed by a 9-digit number and an additional check digit calculated using something called the Loon algorithm. An ISRC in the US can be obtained at the Recording Industry Association of America on their website, usisrc.org. ISWCs, on the other hand, can be obtained at the International Confederation of Societies of Authors and Composers, CISAC. The ISRC and ISWC are powerful tools for song and recording catalog tracking, music licensing, and royalty payments to record labels and artists, as well as music publishers and songwriters. When matched correctly with associated music metadata, the ISRC and ISWC create a very valuable link that performance rights companies can leverage to compensate all rights holders. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel.